In today's video, we are diving into the unfolding story of Bangladesh's troubled economy and how India might capitalize on the situation. By the end of this video, you will understand the key players, the risks, and the opportunities at hand. I am making this video so you can stay informed on crucial developments that could shape our region's future. So stick around to find out how all this could affect India. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful content like this every week, and check out my blog on trending issues. So today we will discuss what caused Bangladesh's current economic crisis. Why is fast fashion losing its hold there? How could India benefit from this situation? And many more. Bangladesh's economy relied heavily on its garment industry, worth a staggering $55 billion. This industry fueled the fast fashion sector, supplying clothes to brands like H&M, Zara, and Gap. But things have taken a dark turn recently. Who would have thought that a country riding high on its fast fashion success would be rocked by political instability? When the protests against the government erupted in August, everything changed. With hundreds dead, factories burned, and economy in turmoil, brands are now asking, is Bangladesh still a safe bet? This leads us to next question: why is fast fashion losing its grip on Bangladesh? Fast fashion may have created millions of jobs, but the reality on the ground is grim. Workers are protesting for better wages, and brands like Walmart and Disney are turning away. How can an industry thrive when workers are demanding pay that reflects the rising cost of living? Add to this the impact of deadly accidents and scandals involving child labor, and Bangladesh's one thriving garment sector is losing its shine. With all these problems, brands are now wondering, should they shift their production to other countries like Vietnam? But here is where things get interesting for India. Can India step in and fill the gap left by Bangladesh? India has been eyeing an opportunity like this for years. With Bangladesh facing up to a 10 to 20% drop in exports, India could swoop in to take on the fast fashion demand. Why wouldn't global brands consider India? We have the infrastructure, the labor force, and the ability to scale up quickly. The big challenge is, however, ensuring that our own manufacturing standards don't fall in the same traps as Bangladesh. Now, this brings us to an even more critical issue. What role does the workforce play in all of this? Before we move forward, if you are finding this video insightful, do let me know by leaving a comment below. Your comments motivate me to keep making videos like this. In Bangladesh, protests and low wages show that workers are at the breaking point. What happens when a nation depends on an industry that underpays and overworks its people? While the fast fashion industry provided jobs, it did not offer much in terms of growth or opportunity. Bangladesh's youth-educated workforce is frustrated, and this has led to demands for more than just better wages. They want higher-paying jobs in sectors beyond garment manufacturing. Can India offer an alternative with better labor standards and opportunities for skill development? Bangladesh's reliance on one industry, fast fashion, shows the dangers of putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. Where Bangladesh stumbled, India can learn. As Bangladesh struggles to diversify, we must focus on expanding our industries and offering better opportunities for our workforce. Bangladesh's new leadership under Mohammad Yunus has promised reforms, but India can get ahead by acting now. That's it in this episode. I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think India should do next to capitalize on this opportunity? Let me know in the comments, and if you haven't already, Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into trending news. Your supports helps me bring you more valuable content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. You can also check out the videos that are on the screen.